Good morning, Treetops families. It's Teacher Miranda here. Today, I'm going to show you a science experiment. This experiment is called dancing popcorn. So what you will need is a glass of water, a glass jar, some bicarbonate of soda, vinegar, some popcorn seeds, measuring spoons, and a fork. So what we're going to do first is pour the water into the jar. Okay. And then we're going to take some popcorn seeds and put them inside and see if anything happens. Is there any reaction? No. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add quarter cup of bicarbonate of soda. Okay, so I've measured quarter cup of bicarbonate of soda and I'm going to add it in. Okay, and then I'm going to mix and see if we get a reaction. Mix it up properly so it melts into the water. Okay, is there a reaction? No, I can't see anything that's happening. All right, there's no reaction. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add half a cup of vinegar. So I'm going to add half a cup of vinegar, and now we're going to see what's going to happen. Whoopsie! That was a big reaction. Now we're going to see what happens after the reaction. Will all the popcorn seeds rise to the top? So we're going to observe that and see if it's going to the top. Yes, it's going. So the science behind this is, before, when we just added the bicarbonate of soda, there was no reaction. But when we added the vinegar, there was a big reaction. And the reason for this is the vinegar and the bicarbonate of soda together form millions of tiny particles. And these tiny particles are made up of bicarbonate dioxide. Okay, sorry, it's carbon dioxide. These particles are carbon dioxide. So the popcorn rises to the surface because the gases were trapped underneath the popcorn. So these tiny particles stick to the popcorn and makes it rise. It also makes it go down. As you can see, some are going up and some are coming down. And it's the carbon dioxide that's making it to rise and to descend. So when it rises to the surface of the water, the carbon dioxide pops and goes down. This is because of the vinegar and the bicarbonate of soda. When it reaches the bottom, the particles will rise again and stick to the popcorn and make it rise again. All right, so that's lots of fun, isn't it? As you can see, it's going up and it's coming down. It's because of the carbon dioxide. And that's why we call it dancing popcorn, because it's going up and down. All right, isn't that fun, guys? You can try this at home. Ask your mom and dad to help you. It's lots of fun and you can go on watching it. Okay, let me bring it up closer. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Till next time. Bye.